USQ, yeah, it's definitely are the best. Sure. If you're planning to, please do. It's really good.
How good is this?
Yeah, it's awesome.
Victor, it's nice to meet you.
Yeah, you too.
Tell me your story, mate. Where are you from and how did you end up here?
Well, I'm from Nigeria and I started off searching out like so many schools. I remember then I applied to what's it called? Torrance, and yeah. But then because my IELTS score, I got below a 7 and I needed that to get nursing. So I remember I applied to several schools. But yeah, I think I chose here because it was really affordable. Like I remember UQ then was like expensive. QUT as well. It was really expensive, but USQ was like, it was really good, affordable, and it came with a scholarship. So yeah, I would say it was just really good, and the location and all that, yeah.
For those people who haven't been here before, describe the campus for me.
Well, I'll say it's really friendly and it's like there are lots of activities and everything, and it's quiet, it's peaceful, and it's safe. Yeah, I'll say.
So, and what are you actually studying here? That's I probably should ask.
Of nursing.
Nursing?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, cool. I was reading about the nursing program.
Yeah.
Cool. Are you enjoying the program?
Love it.
Tell me more about it. What do you enjoy most about it so far?
I'll say the practical aspect of it, the placements and all that. Like in my first year, I had this placement in an aged care. It was awesome for like 2 weeks or something. Yeah, it was good. Like doing the real stuff and seeing the real stuff as well. It's really good.
Straight away, sorry.
Straight into it, so yeah. It's really good.
So you know pretty quickly whether it's going to be for you or not, right?
Sure.
I guess that's true, isn't it? Yeah, awesome. Been something that surprised you about coming either to the campus here, to the university, or to living in regional Australia?
Well, I'll say, yeah, it's on campus. I'll say it's how the class, like how it's been done and all that, because I was in uni at home and in a classroom we are like, let's say 150 students.
Wow.
So yeah, if you're at the back or something, you can't really hear and all that. But here it's like we are so many, yet they still like it's in small sizes, like 20 people, 30 people at the micro or something. So yeah, I would say that was really good. I was really surprised to see how, organized and all that it was. So yeah.
And what about like moving into regional Australia? Is there something that surprised you about the experience of coming here?
Well, no, it was kind of what I expected it to be. Quiet, but still like has everything, and yeah.
You enjoy the pace of life out here?
Love it out here.
It's funny, I think my view of country Australia, I could easily live in country Australia. I feel like it gets under your skin. And yeah, people are more relaxed, more friendly.
No.
They talk to you when you walk past them on the street. No. Whereas, in the big cities, it's not always the case. So I feel it's much easier to connect with people out in a place like this. Have you been into Brisbane at all while you've been here?
I've been to South Bank.
Yeah.
I went on like a short holiday and it was insane. It was too good.
Is that right?
Yeah. Yeah, it was really good. So much fun. They have like 2,000 on the road, electric bikes and all that. Yeah, it was so much fun. The buildings and all that, beautiful.
At the moment, my two favourite places in Australia for students, Southeast Queensland. There's so many great universities here, but pace of life, weather's awesome. Pace of life is a bit nicer than in Sydney and Melbourne and Perth. I love Perth. It's the same, like just a great lifestyle, outdoor climate. People are a little bit more friendly and engaged, which is good. What sort of other things are you involved in here on campus? Are you involved in any clubs or anything like that?
Yeah,
or outside of campus too, like just like general? Yeah.
I have like a futsal team.
Oh, cool.
Like soccer, indoor soccer. We play like every week. It's so much fun, social. And also I play table tennis as well every week on Thursdays, because in Towoomba, like down, I think near Queensland or something, they have like a tennis place and all that. So yeah, it's fun. I play there like every week. And at the uni as well, they have futsal still. Though sometimes I miss that, but yeah, futsal and tennis, I love it. So yeah, I always play that every week. So
any advice for anyone that was thinking to come and study here?
For sure. Go for it. I mean, yeah, it's really good. There's so much support and everything. I remember even in my first year, I was having like some issues with referencing and all that. So I booked like an appointment with the learning advice one. Yeah, she was really nice. Explained everything, showed me how to do it, and since then, good.
Yeah, that's awesome. I think this kind of institution is perfect for students that really want to connect in smaller groups. One of, I guess, disadvantages of the big universities in the cities is that huge class sizes, and like they do their best to provide support services, but you have to be a lot more independent. So this is great, like if you've got everything you need at your fingertips. That's really nice. Awesome, mate. It's lovely to meet you and to
Yeah, you
chat.
too.
Anything else that you want to say to anyone that might be watching this?
USQ, yeah, it's definitely the best. Sure. If you're planning to, please do. It's really good.
Good on you, Victor. Thanks,
Thank
mate.
you.